Alright, you guys. So, today we're going to be putting on a little phone charger thing on the Triumph Daytona Moto2. There's already one on here. I don't know what for. This literally came on the bike. It's all the way in the back though. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if this one reaches up to there, and if not, I'll just disconnect it, put this one on, and we're just gonna run it under the tank somewhere in here. I'm not sure where yet, maybe right here, or we can run a zip tie around this. I can put the charger right there, run the cord up to the phone. Probably the best bet. Let's get to it. This size, maybe. Nope, I think I was right the first time. The main reason I'm doing this is because I live in the southeastern side of Georgia and there's literally nothing here. The closest thing to go do anything, you gotta go to Jacksonville. It's like a 40-minute drive. So I've run into a few times where my phone has been pretty much dead. Luckily, it's not very hard to figure out how to get back. It's just 95 the whole way. But still, you never know what's gonna happen, so it's nice to have. So here's where that plugs in. Here's the fuse. And then that runs, what, down there? And this shit's all zip tied up. Okay. And it's double wired. Why didn't they just fucking single loop it once it connected? Okay, dealing with other people's wiring, I love it. So we're probably going to, see, why wouldn't they face this way so you could tuck the fuse right here? All right, hold on, I'm gonna try and fix this up a little bit. Gonna cut a slit in this, that way it can wrap around that. Boom. Now that's protected. Let's try and cut these zip ties. I guess before I cut this, I probably should have lifted up the tank so I can see where I want to run it. But, oh well, I'll lift up the tank now. There's one thing that is also very good about motorcycles, is they're fairly easy to work on. Most of it, just a couple hand tools, and you're good. That thing, tried to put a new clutch in. I guess I should have just ordered my own alignment tool, not the one that came with the clutch. But I guess the alignment tool was a piece of junk, and when I tried to put the trans back in, it wouldn't go in straight, or wouldn't go in at all, I guess, because it wasn't lined up. Hold on, I'm trying not to drop this washer. So when I tried to put I got all the clutch and everything back in, and when I tried to put the trans back on, fucking the splines wouldn't, I don't know if the splines wouldn't line up or the input shaft just wouldn't go into the hole. All right, yeah, so we can run that up through there, maybe. Let me see what the other side looks like. It doesn't help that I just filled up this tank, so it's kind of, it's not heavy, but it's not light. Yeah, maybe this side would be better because it already has wires on it, so I know it's okay to put wires there. Should hide under there. And we can wrap it around and down. It's right there, like I said. I don't see anywhere to zip tie it on this side. Emissions control information. Interesting. Never actually torn into the bottom of a bike before. Like, I've taken the seat off my old R6, but just to store stuff. I never actually looked at it. There's one thing I don't like about this bike, is you can't take anything off to store anything. Which sucks, because for me, I go to work where I can't bring my phone into work. So if I wanted to ride with music, I basically got to find somewhere to fucking stash my phone before I go in. Yeah, so that's definitely not going to reach, I know that. But I hope this is low enough. I don't want it to fucking impede on anything. Just gonna take that. I got this on, I'm pretty sure I got this on either Amazon or Revzilla, one of the two. It's kind of nice, comes with zip ties. Ooh, I thought the zip ties were short, they're actually a good length. Sick, that's good. I thought I was gonna have to double stack to wrap around that thing. We should be all right. This is what it's like to do modifications when you live in an apartment. All right, yeah, that should fit. So, what I'm going to do then, take this, plug it in there. I might just end up cutting this off. Actually, I can slide it back so it's not in the way, just in case, you know. I doubt I'll ever need it, but you never know. So then, turn this and lift this. So we can run this down here. Boom. Like so. I'm not worried about zip tying in here because once the tank's down, it shouldn't ever really move. But I will zip tie this bundle up to there, just to tidy up some of the wires. I'll probably just run it down and around, actually, just use up the wire. I don't know. A little wet, a little buff. Okay, so you can turn it off. That's good. It's not gonna fit over there. So, what I can do, take a zip tie, just gonna run it through here really quick so that I can use this zip tie to mock up where I'm gonna put it, so I know what the zip tie can reach around. I don't really want it there, but then I'll be able to read the voltage. I'm not sure where I want to put it. Maybe we just bundle up the fucking wires, like so, right into the zip tie, and just mount this bad boy right here. Boom, just like that. And I can get a phone charger, plug that in there, zip tie it right up. Probably wrap a zip tie around this with the phone charger hanging out, you know? Oh, by the way, guys, speaking of wrapping around the zip tie around this, you don't use a rock form case. These things are so much better than those stupid ram mounts. When I got this and I went to take the ram mount out, I literally just pulled the ram mount out. I didn't have to loosen it at all. Those things do not hold. And the little rubber piece that they have to wrap around the corners of your phone, the size that phones are nowadays, that thing is not big enough. I actually broke the rubber piece trying to put it around my phone. So yeah, I don't fucking trust those, but this is awesome. Yeah, you just, like, they're not even paying me to say this. They didn't give me these. I paid this with my own money. Their cases are like 40 bucks. This is kind of expensive. It's about 120. But you just have this locking pin. You just fucking, boom, slide it right in there, and it doesn't come out. Instead of using those stupid rubber things that ram mounts uses, it actually uses a metal one that expands when you tighten this. So it actually grips. It has like some scoring on it. Make sure it gets a good grip. It's so much better than the ram mounts. I actually really like it. And you got this a magnet in here. It comes in the cases. So not only do you have like this, but you also, as it's locked into this, it's also magnetized on here, so it helps hold it steady a little bit more. It's very, very nice. I'm very happy with it. Just gonna put all my trash over there for now. All right, go get a phone charger, wrap this up. All right, we got ourselves a phone charger. Now to see if it actually works. Just gonna fucking plug this in here. Ow, that tank's hot. Oh, that hurt. Okay. Sick, so that's gonna run there. Could probably zip tie that up. I don't know, like that. Oh, I didn't bring the wire snips out with me to fucking cut this after I tied it. I feel like a doofus with this head mount on. People are probably staring at me like I'm a fucking weirdo. Oh well. Be like that sometimes. Boom, tie that there. Oh, and we got charged. Look at that. Probably couldn't even see it because of the sun, but there you go. If you could hear it, made the beep. It works. It has this little switch on the side that I guess turns it on. I thought it was only for the display, because it displays how much voltage it has. Actually, let's see. It was at 13 earlier. What's it at now? 12. Still at 13. 12.8. Sick. So we got that on. Tuck that there, and we're done. Awesome. Really simple. Just fucking, if you didn't see how it was routed in here, you can go back to the beginning. You can see it just plugs into the negative and positive terminal of the batteries and goes out. It is a what do you want? You want SAE to USB conversion, something like that. If you look it up, you should find it. That'll come in handy for some long trips if you don't have a charger on your bike. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you didn't, don't. Subscribe if you're new, and I appreciate it. Thanks. Have a good one, guys.